One November evening in 2019, the amazing setting of Brno's Art Cinema became the venue where the best companies and entrepreneurs from Brno and South Moravia met. The 70th Entrepreneurial Meeting took place here for the 15th time, including the top MSP Awards ceremony for the best small and medium-sized companies held by the Brno Regional Chamber of Commerce. The competition is held under the auspices of the representatives of the City of Brno and the South Moravian Region. Sixth place. Last year, this company was 7th. A little story. The owner of the company is the first man in the world to give up using drinking water. He drinks only untreated rainwater. He also gave up using electricity from the grids. When he wants to switch on a light at home in the evening, he lights candles. Or he sits on his exercise bike and spins the dynamo. He's an incredible man. He has become one with nature, but his company is high-tech. It's amazing. They've built their own Matterhorn, a mountain of stones, in front of their company. Which company is that? It's Hutira. Let's go. Look at his image. It's Big Lebowski. It's Jeff Bridges. The award was received by the director of the Hutira-Brno company, Ivo Hutira Jr., from the Mayor of Brno and the representatives of the Brno Regional Chamber of Commerce. We've been participating in the competition for 12 years. We finished among the top 10 companies for the first time in 2007. This is very important for me, since we've been here for 12 years, and we've still remained at the top. To a certain extent, it shows that this is a high-quality company that works well. Next year, we'll celebrate our 30th anniversary. Today's meeting was filled with memories of the Velvet Revolution, as we founded our company immediately after the revolution. I don't even know what's going on in the company these days, because I handed over the reins to the younger generation in spring. The development of the company in the next 10, 20, 30 years will depend primarily on the former managing director, Radek Kundrata, who is currently the acting director of the company. If somebody asked me what the future holds, I'd pass the question on to the younger generation. The present of the Hutira company is closely tied to its past. However, we're looking to the future. Social responsibility is very important to us. The company has moved on to a stage that, while profitability and how the company is doing is important, the satisfaction of our employees and our business partners is even more important. And the fact that we've left something behind, something we can be proud of, even more than the profit of the company. We're trying to move forward in several directions in our business. We've set out on a journey where it is important to have visions and to be active in fields which can bring something in the future, not only to us, but also to the people around. We're active in the water industry, where we've developed water treatment devices that produce drinking water from various sources, such as rivers and fish ponds. Our primary goal is to help developing countries. Hutira-Brno's core program is in the gas industry. This especially includes providing equipment for filtration, pressure regulation, and measuring consumption. An innovation in this field is the solution for cleaning and treating gas from biogas stations and from wastewater treatment plants. Hutira Green Gas. From Hutira-Brno's wide-ranging manufacturing program, we can present the field of the water industry. This includes water meter shafts of various designs that have become an integral part of many cities. Their advantages include, in particular, that they are easy to install, consumption can be read remotely, and especially the fact that they are almost invisible. Another important part of the manufacturing program is the water treatment plants called Hutira Crystal Clear Water, shortened to Hutira CCW. Another one of Hutira's achievements is taking the second place in the prestigious Aeon Energy Globe competition, where the mobile water treatment unit, the Hutira CCW, was awarded. Hutira CCW is a mobile water treatment unit that is a unique device, which presents universal technology for producing drinking water. The device has a wide range of uses, from natural disasters to swimming pools. We congratulate Hutira-Brno on being rated among the best companies in the region, and we wish them all the business success in the future.